Yo, so I just hopped out my truck. I'm at this rest area. Man, I seen the wildest thing. Wait till y'all see this. Let me see if they'll let me film. I gotta see this. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Hey, my name is Ash. I'm a trucker too. But I was riding by and I saw a truck inside of a truck. And I've never seen that before. Y'all speak English? Oh, can I take a look at the truck? Yeah. Oh my God. It's really a truck inside of a truck. Costa Rica. That's paradise. Why y'all here? Just trucking? Oh, okay, okay. Wow. Wow. This is interesting. A truck inside of a semi truck. You see different things every day. I just had to record this. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's your family? Family? Okay. Family run business. I love it. Take care. Thank you. I told y'all that is unbelievable. A truck inside of a truck. All right. I just want to show y'all that because I've never seen that before. Yeah. Peace.